Yo, so we back, y'all. So I want to show y'all this opportunity that I'm seeing on USDCHF. So y'all can kind of see what I'm seeing. I am expecting further upside to come on this pair. So as of right now, and we'll do this one kind of a full markdown, a little bit different than the rest, but I'll let y'all kind of follow through with me on this one. So we are now approaching that fifth wave structure. Let me take this measurement here to determine on. So generally, when you are looking at Elliott waves, 3 is always not the shortest wave. So that's just what you want to make sure that 3 is not the shortest wave. So 3 is definitely longer than 2. And it looks like 5 is going to be the longest wave. Cool. So as long as 3 is not the shortest, we're good to go. So what I am going to be looking for now is a slight retracement. I do want to see more of a price action pattern, right? So every reversal calls for a reversal pattern. Again, if y'all haven't checked out the Elliott wave analysis video that I dropped for y'all, it's on our channel. Check it out. You'll also see the thumbnail above, and at the end of the video, you guys will see the option to where you can click on the video and check it out and get you guys some free education. It literally starts to teach you guys how to trade, read, and understand and predict the market movements. So definitely check it out. So now what we're going to be looking for is a retracement down anywhere between the 61.8 and the 78.6. And I'm going to be looking for also a few other key things. So this is going to be the ideal area that I'm going to be looking for. I kind of want to see a double bottom kind of form in here, but we'll see. As of right now, it does look like we could potentially get a double bottom structure, just seeing how we kind of got a double top structure. So generally, we want to take the measurement of that, and you can expect potentially the same movement towards the downside. So you'll see it'll lead us right to the actual 61.8 to 78.6 range, as well as in that previous low to where we could make a support and then double bottom also. So that's going to be the 16-hour time frame. I'm going to fluctuate down lower time frame, see if there's anything else I see. So I do see an order block right here, so right in our zone as well. So this is going to be a real nice spot that I want to be looking for this week to take this trade towards the upside. So definitely want to key in on USDCHF, y'all. If y'all are watching this, don't miss it. Again, if y'all are new to the streams, new to our channel just in general, make sure y'all are subscribed. That way y'all don't miss out on any future trade opportunities that I push out for you guys. That way y'all are able to make some money with me. So what I'll be looking for this week is for a retracement down and then a continuation up on USDCHF. Also, if you guys check out in the description, you'll see the link to our website, our free Telegram chat room where I post a lot of these trade opportunities for y'all. Y'all can ask questions, interact with me a little bit more. So it's a free chat room, link down below in the description, as well as our Instagram, our Facebook, our mentoring package. All of that information is down below. So if you guys do want to learn our strategy, then you guys can feel free to head on over to our website and see the different packages that we offer you guys. So that's all I have for y'all, man. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Don't forget to like the video, and y'all have a great rest of y'all's trading week. Also, I dropped y'all a few other setups too. So check out all the setups that I dropped for y'all this week. There's a USD CAD setup for y'all. There's a Euro USD setup for y'all. There's also a Bitcoin setup for y'all. So if y'all like more setups, then you will need to be a premium signals member, which we also have CAD JPY for them. We also have NZD USD for them. We also have oil for them this week. We have a few different trade setups that we are keying in and watching before the team this week. So have a great trading week, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace out.